Hey Flowstar fam, it's Jasmine here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the horizontal body break, which looks like this. Alrighty, let's dive into the tutorial. The prerequisites for this move is going to be your horizontal figure 8 on both hands. So go ahead, start getting comfortable with that. And then also your horizontal figure 8 passes, which are gonna look like this, right? So when we do a horizontal figure 8, we want the other hand to catch it. We're gonna kind of cross our arms. And when it comes around, cross and catch. So we're gonna do it with the other side. Go ahead, practice with me. Cross, catch, other side. Figure 8, get the momentum going. Don't be shy to really reach around and grab it with the other hand. Cross, catch. Alrighty. And then I want you guys to get comfortable with the break. So take your palm, face your palm up, thumb is up. And I want you to get used to doing this. Just hitting your shoulder. Palm up, going outward. And do it with the other hand. Palm up, outward. Outward, isn't it fun? Play. And we're gonna piece all of this together, and I'm gonna do it slowly first for you guys. So, hit outward. Oh, and then the transition between outward, we're gonna do the horizontal figure 8. The wrist, you see how my palm is up? The wrist is gonna come inward, finger pointing straight forward, coming towards your face. Horizontal figure 8, do what I just taught you guys. Catch, cross, and then hit outward, what we just did. Finger coming inward, horizontal figure 8. Repeat what I just said. Cross, catch, move close. Break, and repeat. Good, break, inward, horizontal. And you can add as many figure 8s as you need to get comfortable. The trick that I originally taught was 1. So the more you get comfortable with the trick, try to see how little of the horizontal figure 8s you can do in between. So I'm gonna do it one more time with you guys. Do it with me really slowly. Hit, inward, 1, 2, cross, catch, hit. Inward, 1, 2, cross, catch, hit. Alrighty. I really hope that tutorial really helped you guys. Best of luck. And if you really like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, Flowstar fam.